Right, so what we also want to do on Zoho Books, Zoho CRM Sync is add a module to Zoho CRM so it shows up. Everything at the minute shows up in Zoho Books, but we also want to add it so it shows up in Zoho CRM. We're going to sync these modules. So I'm going to enable this. Transaction modules from Zoho Books will now be enabled in Zoho CRM. Do you want to continue? You click confirm. It will begin doing this sync. It may take a while, but when you go back to Zoho CRM now, you will have a module that says Zoho Finance, and that module is going to show up on every account. So if I go to my account, it's going to show up Zoho Finance right down here. And when it's synced, it will show me invoices. The reason that I needed to add that step was because I did this subscription and it never showed up. So for it to show up, for it to say Zoho Finance here, you want it to, you need to add that integration. It's one more click. And what it'll do here is when you click on here, when it's synced, you'll be able to go to a contact in your CRM and show what they are owing. So I've just created a subscription at £40. This customer owes £40. Cool. So it's just a quick, extra step, but it will get that Zoho Finance tab.